हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम देखते हैं कुछ फैक्ट्स। तो कुछ जान लेते हैं कुछ नॉलेज के बारे में। द कोमोडो ड्रैगन इज द लार्जेस्ट लिविंग लिजार्ड. इट इज पावरफुल इनफ टू किल अ मैन. देयर आर अबाउट 90,000 lakes in Sweden. Grass is green because it reflects only the green color of the spectrum. The Arctic Ten is the champion of all animal travelers because it makes the longest regular migration in the world. An owl can rotate its head to 180 degrees in both directions. Yuri Gagarin was the first man and Valentina Tereshkova was the first woman to go into the space. The Hinduism is the oldest religion in the world. The Andes is the longest mountain range in the world. It is in South America. India has 325 languages and dialects and 25 scripts. The leaf of the Amazon lily grows as big as 2 meters wide. Michael Phelps, the American swimmer, won 8 gold medals in various swimming events. The European wild boar has such small piglets that the mother has to build a nest to protect them from predators. The boar itself is a mammal. Shrew is a mammal which has the fastest heartbeat, that is 1200 beats per minute. It does not sleep at all. Bulldog ant is the most dangerous insect. It lives in Australia. Its sting is poisonous and can kill an adult in 15 minutes. Cinchona is a medicinal plant. Its bark is used as a medicine to treat malaria. The death in medal is a large bronze medallion bearing the words for gallantry, and we also serve all with a laurel wealth. This medal was instituted by Maria Dickin in 1943 to honor the world of animals. A white pigeon, that is a pigeon, was awarded the Dickin Medal as he led a search team to the wreck of a drawn flying boat. St. Peter's Basilica is the largest church in the world. It measures 220 by 150 square meter. You know that camels are called sheep of desert, but giraffe and rats can last longer without water than camels. Scorpion is very poisonous, but if you put a drop of liquor on a scorpion, it will go mad instantly and sting itself to death. Do you know a camel has 3 eyelids which protects them from the dust storm in the desert? A snail can sleep for 3 years. Have you ever noticed a child growing up? You know our eyes are always the same size from birth, but our nose and ears never stop growing. No word in English language rhymes with the words month, orange, silver and purple. The polar bears are left-handed. Rats and horses cannot vomit. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward. Do you know the first country to adopt volleyball outside the United States was Canada in the year 1900?